Hi, Nick Cranky here. There's my contact information, 1-800-880-DOWN. Anyhow, I want to address something here, especially for first-time home buyers, but not only exclusive to them. If someone wants to buy a property, but they just, I can't afford it by myself, I always say, get a co-borrower, get two, free co-borrowers, whatever. And they're like, oh, I'm so embarrassed. They act like they're begging, okay? But you're not begging them. You're providing them a huge financial potential benefit as long as you keep up your end of the bargain. With the highs and lows in Washington State, the average appreciation year over year is 10%. And no one, if they stay at the same job, gets an increase of income of 10% a year, because basically that doubles every 10 years. Here's an example. You start a job at 50 bucks an hour. At year 10, you make 100 bucks an hour. Year 20, you make 200 bucks an hour. Year 30, you're making 400 bucks an hour. And year 40, you're making $800 an hour. Do you know anyone ever in the history of mankind, if they stayed in the same job, ever had raises like that? No. But it happens every day, all the time in real estate in this state over decades. So quit being scared, quit acting like you're begging someone. You're providing an opportunity, and you have to put that in your mindset. Give me a call, and I'll tell you how we can specifically craft it for you. Be confident, be proud. Bye.